different Canadian Pacific maintenance vehicles. All lined up here in Wadsworth. It's quite a few, so I don't know if they're doing rail work or if they're adding this spur line here or another spur line. Obviously I'm not crawling on any, I'm just kind of walking by at a distance. One of these coming up has a porta potty on it. I think it's 2 or 3 up. I don't know what that little one's for. I've seen this one in action before. I don't know if it picks up the rail and then the ties go in underneath. I've seen that before. Here's a porta potty. That's the one that I believe drives the spikes in. That's just a tender. I'm actually just waiting for the Amtraks to come through in like the next 20 minutes. I saw these lined up, so I figured I'd film them. The next one looks fairly new, or a new paint job. Yeah, it looks fairly new with the lights and everything. And ending up with another tinder carrier. Timbers. And there's a derail. I think to actually derail.